Good afternoon, everyone. I am not totally against her, but today's talk, my objectives are not working.
Audio visual, please.
This is not working.
Could you please move the slide?
Not working. Yes. My objectives for today's talk are the resident can learn good surgical skill without availability of higher and wet lab. Going fast. Sorry. The residents can learn good surgical skill without availability of higher and wet lab during his residency and alternative methods for teaching surgical skills. Wet lab is luxury for everyone, but it is not available in government setup and many more other hospitals also. But nowadays it is mandatory to equip by MCI. Now, how to begin to have a cataract surgery? We are training our students. We are giving advice to them to see each and every patient on slit lamp after 3 months of orientation to subject and hospital environment. Interpupillary distance and stereopsis we are measuring. We should I advise them that they should have a good meditation to control their mind. They should have a good tissue respect. Every movement is at the level of risk during their surgery, so they can manage well. Learn to develop hand-eye coordination. Then minor surgeries like lead surgery, suturing, suture removal under microscope with less magnification. Chalazion surgery under microscope. Learn easier steps initially, proceed for further steps. Now, how they will get hand-eye coordination development? They should learn microscope and they should do thread picking or on gauze piece with forceps under microscope, suturing on fabrics under microscope, cutting the fabrics on microscope. Now, what are the substitute for this practicing? They should practice section by drawing a straight line on paper under microscope. Scleral tunnel can be learned with the help of boiled egg or cardboard. CCC can be learned with the help of butter paper or IOL plastic cover or boiled potatoes. Goat's eye is ideal for everyone and it is easily available everywhere. Peritomy, section, scleral tunnel, side port, AC entry, suturing can be learned on goat's eye, which is available. Same step can be repeated or can be done in human eyeball, which is contraindicated for corneal transplant. This is a bottle filled with cotton and which is wrapped with fine fabrics or fine this plastic. One can make side pot on it and inject viscoelastic in it so they can see what is fluid wave. When they will perform hydrodissection. Boiled egg can be tried for making section. First they are learning the theoretical aspect of surgical point. Audiovisual learning is mandatory and they are doing this. Then practicing on God's eye. Then we are giving them patient who is having mature cataract with poor prognosis, so they can learn on it. Then second year they start with easy and basic steps. Patient selection, now we are giving them immature cataract, which is both eyes immature cataract. The initial phase, each step is taught under close supervision of the faculty from side tubing of microscope and TV monitor. Few steps can be given in cases allotted to other senior faculty or residents. Third year, slowly mastering the more difficult step under supervision of faculty. CCC, lens matter wash to easier quadrant are done first with full irrigation followed by more difficult sub-incisional areas. Now we encourage them to learn hydrodissection in multiple areas. We encourage to do hydrodelineation to form multiple rings because they have to become a good phacosurgeon. Hydroelevation of pole of nucleus in SICS, delivery of nucleus with viscoelastic or wire vectis. This is operation theater, which is having good microscope with side tubing and CCTV monitor. Now, what is my take-home message? Cataract surgery is bread and butter for comprehensive ophthalmologists. Practice is the key to perfection. Every resident who is pursuing MS ophthalmology with basic surgical skill and absence of higher and wet lab can be good surgeon under guidance of senior teachers. We have to think globally, but we have to act locally. Thank you.
Thank you. I think the